Artificial intelligence, a market bubble or a platform for sustained growth? Hello, this is Chart GPT today. Well, we've all heard about artificial intelligence. It's going to take all our jobs and we're going to be doing nothing and sitting on UBI. But is that true? Let's take a look at the market as it is today. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but let's take a look at what we have today. What's kind of interesting here, this chart is proportion of S&P 500 companies mentioning AI during quarterly earnings calls. Everybody is saying, I'm doing AI, everybody's doing AI. You know, I was helping someone with a website when I was looking at logos. I went to one of these logo generation sites. Before it was just software that would help you find out what logo you like. Now they're saying they're all artificial intelligence. I think it's the same software. In any case, it is what it is. Let's take a look at some of the use cases, what people are using these LLM models for. And 62% are using for summarization, text summarization, which is really useful. Like if you want to, you don't want to read a book, you just want to get the highlights. Great for students. So just give me a summarization of a book or something. Enterprise knowledge management is a big one. So that's a big thing where they can generate knowledge from all the data they have. Interesting use case would be emails. What if they had all the emails of their employees? That would be interesting. Customer service is a big one, obviously. Marketing, software development is a big one. Contract review, that's good. And then chatbots and others. So interesting use cases there. So how are the ROIs, return on investments, with the LLM spending? Well, most people are, 56% are just think it's positive, but they're not really measuring it. And most are focusing on how to change costs as opposed to innovation, new products. So that's an interesting point there. Top AI generative AI consumer mobile apps, engagement by categories, companionship. That's really, it's kind of a social commentary there. So that's the big one. Obviously messaging, general assistant, but the big one is people looking for companionship with AI. That's kind of a disturbing event. Here's kind of the marketplace. I'm not going to get into all these, but this is kind of just shows you how big the marketplace on different parts of the LM stack, data layer, model layer, deployment, monitoring, enterprise considerations, different things. So these are all the companies. It kind of reminds me of the dot-com bubble when there were so many dot-com companies. Probably 80% of these will fail, but if you knew which ones would work, you might be a very rich person there. Anyway, here's kind of in terms of visited by AI tools in 2023. Obviously, OpenAI was the big one, ChatGPT. And there's C.AI, and there's a few Quillbots, a big one. So these kind of show you who's really dominating the market in terms of actual users. So that's interesting. And here's the companies by revenue multiple. OpenAI is down, that's 18 times, and that's revenue, not earnings. So keep that in mind. OpenAI is down there low, but so it's probably more realistically valued. You get up to some of these other 150 times revenue, which is kind of interesting. But most of them are private companies, so it's hard to invest in these things. This is kind of what they're saying. Here's the overall market. The artificial intelligence market size is set to explode. What, at 2024 is about 250 billion, and it's going to set to get to close to 2 trillion within about 6 years. So the market's going to explode. So you want to get into the next big thing? I guess this is it. In any case, what do you think? Do you think the artificial intelligence marketplace is in a bubble or a platform for sustained growth? Take our online poll, follow the post link in the description box, and check out our AI, and they'll discuss whether this is a boom or a bust in terms of AI. In any case, don't forget to subscribe.